Presenting Salsa in the Sky. The aircraft has turned left and is positioning for the loop tumble yaw. Sukhoi 30 MTI is the only operational aircraft in the world today that can do this extremely complex maneuver. In this maneuver, the aircraft will describe a circle in the vertical plane. Look now as it brings the nose down.
Notice that it's inverted, and instead of the nose coming down, the aircraft tumbles out in the sky, carrying out a somersault to the left, the loop tumble yaw.
And before your very eyes, the aircraft says goodbye to all known laws of aerodynamics. This combat maneuver helps the pilot to change direction in mid-flight, and that too in the blink of an eye. The aircraft will now fly along the grandstand from your right to carry out a series of rolls. The aircraft is now going position on your left and will come in for a low-speed run along the grandstand. This ability to fly so slow is unique to this aircraft and is the result of excellent aerodynamics of its design. The ability to maneuver at low speeds in aerial combat allows the pilot to slide behind an adversary and shoot him down. Going past at a speed of just 200 kilometers per hour, even the wind stops to stare. The pilot will now demonstrate the minimum radius turn capability of this aircraft. The visibly small radius of turn makes this aircraft invincible in combat and ensures that it always comes out the winner. Just in case you missed some finer details of the maneuver earlier on, we have for you once again the loop tumble yaw repeated, and this time the pilot will position himself head on to you. I would like to draw your attention to the signature maneuver of this aircraft and the highlight of the display, the tail slide. Have you ever seen an aircraft in reverse gear? Well, this may be your only chance. Notice as the aircraft pulls up into the sky. pilot has made it stand on its tail, not moving up anymore. And now, he's making it slide back, tail first and vertically down. This maneuver truly displays the extraordinary performance of the aircraft and the stability of its engine. The interesting fact that you must appreciate is that the aero engines are exposed to airflow in the reverse direction, exiting from the intake instead of the exhaust. This is the very same aircraft in which our President flew a sortie on the 26th of November 2009. Now licensed produced by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the heart of Su-30 is its mission computer, which is indigenous. Ladies and gentlemen, look out for the vertical Charlie. It pulls up majestically into the evening sky and carries out a series of rolls as if to say, touch the sky with glory. See you later. I'm sure you would have loved every minute of this thrilling aerobatic display. As the evening phase concludes, we will shortly progress into the next phase of the demonstration.
The birth of unmanned aviation